Ready to turn your creativity into cash? Let's build your Shopify store for digital products from the ground up. First things first, head to Shopify.com and start your free trial. This gives you all the tools you need to get your online business launched without upfront costs. Once you're in, it's time to add your first digital product. Click on Products in the left-hand menu, then Add Product. Here's where you'll fill in all the details: the product title, a compelling description, and upload your captivating product images. Crucially, enable the "This is a digital product" toggle. Now, set your price and upload the actual digital file your customers will receive. €1 think it books, software, music, or templates. Next, let's make your store look amazing. Navigate to Online Store and then Themes. Click Customize to personalize your storefront with colors, fonts, and branding that reflect your unique style. To get paid, go to Settings and then Payments. Shopify integrates with popular payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, and Stripe, making transactions smooth and secure. Finally, give your store a professional identity by setting up your custom domain. Go to Settings, then Domains, and follow the steps to connect your own website address. With your digital products uploaded, your store designed, and payments configured, you're ready to start selling. Now for the marketing. Promote your awesome digital products through social media, email marketing, or even paid advertising to reach your target audience. Congratulations! You've just built and launched your own e-commerce empire for digital products on Shopify.